This is sap, pine sap. Now pine sap is the stuff that you can make for the fire. This stuff, when it catches fire, it goes from hardness to liquid. Liquid fire, ladies and gentlemen. This is where you get it. You don't need gasoline, you don't need propane or anything. I mean, shits and kicks, giggles, you know, make a big fire, great. But when you're out in the woods and you ain't got no fuel, sap will save your life. Oh. That's big, that one. Very cool.
We'll take, oh, like that right there. It's half sap and half bark.
Half tree, yeah.
Oh, all this runny sap from when trees get damaged from, well, in this area, guns and knives and axes and stuff.
It's bleeding all over the place.
I've been hit. I'm hit. We're grabbing way more than we need, but we're just having fun and gathering extra for multiple fires if we need it. We out here. We're doing the fire. He's got some lovely little sticks covered in that almost old man's beard, but moss, super dry moss.
There's the fire starter.
This stuff right here, this stuff burns like nothing else.
So, bark. You want to get all this stuff that's the best stuff for a fucking fire starter. Look at that. It's all fucking dry in there. It's a bit wet and moist, but it'll burn.
Moist is a good word. I like it.
Moist as a clam.
Right now we're getting some old man's beard on here, it looks like.
Yeah. I need some kind of paper though. Like.
Oh, that's the sap that was gathered before.
Look, you could even. Gum.
I bet it tastes awfully piney.
It's a bit tough. It's a bit barky. Long one.
I'll show you a long one.
Ooh.
Don't do it, it's a trap! And they're all silent. That's a lot of fucking kindling I've pulled out.
That's how to make a fire.
I
There for.
can pee outside
Jay.
too, just like the men in the woods.
Fire
Sometimes I
chief.
have to squat, and sometimes I pee on my mouth.
All right, we got a pretty damn big fire now.
I just kept fucking throwing everything we had on it. That sucker hurt throughout the whole rain season.
Throwing some of these dry ass branches on here, we're lighting the shit up. We got Captain behind the fire, showing that we got a 6-foot fire going on here.
Well, now it's like a 5-foot fire.
A 5-foot fire, yeah.
Thanks for watching, everybody, and if you want to stay up to date with the latest content and see more from me, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down in the bottom there. Catch you next time.